Hey future doctors, welcome to NEET 2025 Test Yourself series where I am providing you with chapter-wise MCQ practice for the upcoming NEET exam, and the chapter we are covering today is Organization in Animals. This is Dr. Sharun. Let's start. Air sacs of lungs are composed of squamous epithelium, cuboidal epithelium, columnar epithelium or compound epithelium. Air sacs of lungs refer to the alveoli. So basically the question is asking the alveoli of lung is composed of. The correct answer is option A, squamous epithelium. Microvilli is seen in squamous epithelium, columnar epithelium, compound epithelium, glandular epithelium. Correct answer is option B, columnar epithelium. Epithelium lining duct of glands and tubules of nephron is squamous epithelium, columnar epithelium, cuboidal epithelium or glandular epithelium. Correct answer is option C. Cuboidal epithelium lines the ducts of gland and the tubules of nephron. Achondroplasia is a disease related with defect in formation of membrane, mucosa, bone, cartilage. Achondroplasia. Wherever the word chondro comes in biology, it refers to cartilage. So achondroplasia is a disease that is related to defect in formation of cartilage. Correct answer is option D. Epithelium lining the duct of salivary gland is cuboidal epithelium, glandular epithelium, squamous epithelium, ciliated epithelium. Just like we discussed in a previous question, ducts of glands are lined by cuboidal epithelium. So the correct answer of this question would be option A, cuboidal epithelium. The supportive skeletal structure in human external ear and the nose strip are example of areolar tissue, bone, cartilage, ligament. The supportive skeletal structure in human external ear and nose strip. The correct answer is option C, cartilage. The human external ear and the nose strip is made up of cartilage. Which of the following is not an example of specialized connective tissue? Not an example. Tendon, bone, cartilage, blood. The correct answer is option A. Tendon is not a specialized connective tissue. Bone, cartilage, blood, all three are specialized connective tissue. Mark the wrong statement about tendon. Tendon is dense connective tissue. It connects muscles to the bone. It connects bone to bone. It is dense regular tissue. Mark the wrong statement about tendon. The correct answer is option C. It connects bone to bone. That is incorrect. Tendon connects muscle to bone. Ligaments connect bone to bone. Tergites and sternites are joined together in cockroach by arthrodial membrane, cartilage, bone, spiracles. The correct answer is option A, arthrodial membrane. Red muscle fibers are rich in Golgi bodies, mitochondria, ribosomes, lysosomes. Red muscle fiber are rich in. Correct answer is option B, they are rich in mitochondria. Excretory system of cockroach is made of Malpighian tubules, kidneys, flame cells, liver. Excretory system of cockroach is made of. The correct answer is option A, Malpighian tubules. Which of the following epithelium have function of secretion and absorption in intestine? Which of the following type of epithelium? Squamous epithelium, columnar epithelium, cuboidal epithelium or glandular epithelium. Function of absorption and secretion in intestine. The correct answer is option B, it is columnar epithelium. Adipose tissue is an example of loose connective tissue, dense connective tissue, specialized connective tissue. It is not a connective tissue. Adipose tissue is an example of. The correct answer is option A. It is an example of loose connective tissue. Cartilage is formed by osteoblasts, fibroblasts, chondrocytes, osteocytes. Now, just like I explained in achondroplasia question, chondro means cartilage. So the word chondrocyte refers to cartilage cells. The correct answer would be option C, chondrocytes. Yellow bone marrow is found specially in medullary cavity of long bone, spongy bone, short bones or all of above. The correct answer is option A. They are found in long bones. The mast cell secretes the following substance: heparin, histamine, serotonin, all of above. The correct answer is option D. It secretes all of above. Ligament and tendon are connective tissue, muscular tissue, fibrous connective tissue or skeletal tissue. The correct answer is option C. It is an example of fibrous connective tissue. Ligament connects bone to bone, tendon connects bone to muscle. The triceps and biceps muscle are of antagonistic type, involuntary type, smooth type, sphincter type. The correct answer is option A. They are antagonistic type. Biceps and triceps both are voluntary muscles. Had voluntary type been in the option, the correct answer would have been voluntary type. However, functionally triceps and biceps are antagonistic type. Antagonistic means they do opposite actions. For example, biceps causes flexion of the elbow and triceps causes extension of the elbow. मतलब जो आप अपना elbow fold कर रहे हो, that is because of biceps, और जो elbow अपना खोलते हो, that is because of triceps. तो खोलना और बंद करना, they are antagonistic action. Antagonistic मतलब opposite. ठीक है? So the correct answer is option A, antagonistic type. RBC is formed in bone marrow, spleen, liver, thymus. The correct answer is option A. RBCs are formed in bone marrow. And what is spleen? Spleen is the graveyard of RBC, where RBCs are destroyed after their life duration. And what is the life duration of RBC? 120 days. So after 120 days is over, RBCs are destroyed in spleen, but they are formed in bone marrow. Phagocytic cells of liver are called Kupffer cells, Hansen cells, Dieter cells, or SNR cells. The correct answer is option A. Kupffer cells are the phagocytic cells of the liver. Cartilage is formed by osteoblast, fibroblast, chondrocyte, osteocytes. Question has been repeated. The correct answer is option C, chondrocyte. Value of resting membrane potential is minus 90 millivolts, minus 100 millivolts, plus 100 millivolts, plus 90 millivolts. The correct answer is option A, it is minus 90 millivolts. The horn of rhinoceros is composed of bone, cartilage, chitin, keratin. The correct answer is option D, it is composed of keratin. Crown of teeth is covered by enamel, cartilage, chitin, dentine. The correct answer is option A, enamel, and enamel is also the strongest substance of a human body. Red muscle fibers are rich in Golgi bodies, mitochondria, ribosomes, lysosomes. The correct answer is option B, mitochondria. The endothelium of the blood vessel is made up of cuboidal epithelium, squamous epithelium, columnar epithelium, or ciliated epithelium. So endothelium is the epithelium of the blood vessels. The cells that are lining the blood vessel, or the epithelium that is lining the blood vessel, is the endothelium. So what is endothelium made up of, or it is which type of epithelium? The correct answer is option B, it is squamous type of epithelium. In rabbits, the end of long bone is connected to one other by tendon, ligament, muscle, cartilage. Again, I've repeated it multiple times. Bone connected to bone, ligament, muscle connecting to bone, tendon. So the correct answer over here is option B, ligament. Whether it is bone of rabbit, whether it is bone of camel, or whether it is bone of any other animal, if it is being connected to another bone, it is always with help of a ligament. Which of the following is not a fibrillar protein? Elastin, collagen, myosin, albumin. The correct answer is option D. Albumin is not a fibrillar protein. The outermost sheath of the connective tissue that surrounds skeletal muscle is epimer, epimere, epimerite, or epimysium. The correct answer is option D, epimysium. Ciliated cells are found in bronchus, pancreas, liver, uterus. Ciliated cells. The correct answer is option A. Ciliated cells are present in bronchus, that is to remove any foreign substance that is coming with the inhaled air. So those are the MCQs from this chapter. I'll see you guys again in my next video day after tomorrow. And the chapter we are going to cover next is the next chapter of class 11 NCERT biology, that is cell. So do read that chapter up. Reading the chapter before attempting the MCQs will help you in grabbing the concepts better when you're solving the MCQs. Also, the MCQs are helping you to recall your questions, recall your concepts better. So if you read and revise the chapter before attempting the MCQs, your recall ability will also improve. I hope you're finding these videos helpful, MCQs helpful. The podcast series that I've started for you guys, I hope you're finding that too helpful. The podcast series is to help you guys so you can audibly revise everything wherever you want, whenever you want. I really hope whatever initiative we are taking over here, you are liking them. And if you are, don't forget to share it with your friends and other NEET aspirants as well. I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, all the best and keep working hard. Like I said, do like and share the video if you find it helpful. And if you're new out there, don't forget to subscribe us. Thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye.